right, I'm going to show you all how to use the meditation session type. This is actually incredibly straightforward. This session type is specifically for if you just want to time a meditation practice. It doesn't matter what it is, it can be anything you want. This is for very unspecific, you just want a timer to time what you did, and potentially you want the ability to take some notes about what you're feeling like or thoughts or anything you care to take notes about prior to starting the session. Pre-session notes. Um, you can give it an optional name. So I could say this is a meditation tutorial. And then you can give it an actual time. If it's untimed or there's no time set, it'll be an unlimited time. So yeah, we can just start the session. And you can see since it's untimed, it's going to count up, and you can do whatever meditation you would like. This is really supposed to be more similar to other meditation apps that have, say, a timer for you to time stuff. It's meant really just to be very non-specific. Once you're done, you can click complete session, and you can add any pre-session notes that you want, or post-session notes, post-session notes. It also supports some markdown functionality, so you can, create headers and create some custom styling of your notes. You can also add some tags, such as, let's say, meditation demo, and we can then either discard, maybe we don't want to keep it. We can click this download button, which will actually give us metadata about the session itself as a JSON structured file. Or lastly, we can click submit, and we are given two options. If you're on mobile, there will also be an option to simply save it to your mobile device so that the data does not leave your phone. On the web version, everything is all saved in the cloud. So we can save it privately, which means that it will not be shared publicly with the larger community, or we can click save and share, which will save and share this as your particular user, and it will be made available on the feed. We can see there's our notes are kept here, and if we go to the feed, we can now see that that meditation has been saved with the larger community, and we can actually view what that content is. It's important to note that when you do save it publicly, all of your notes about the session will be made publicly, or will be made public, so please be mindful of that if you choose to share it publicly. And that is the meditation session type.